and welcome to Balanced Cash Diaries. Today is my first ever cash stuffing in my new binder, which I have set up right here. And we're going to be stuffing £395. So I'll count through this in just a second, but this is just a portion of my monthly paycheck, which is £2,026.04 to be exact, which I get paid monthly. So I'm on a 31.5k salary here in the UK. So let me get my binder out of the way for a second and let's count through this cash. And I do apologize, the sun is just coming in right now, but it might come and go as it pleases. So I do apologize for the lighting changing quite a bit, but I do quite like it in the sunshine actually. So we've got 20, 40, 60, 80, 100, 20, 40, 60, 80, 200 in my 20s. Then in my 10s, I have 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and 80. So 180. And then in 5s, I have 3 of those, so that's 15. So that is all going in there. And down over here, I also have some placeholders which have just arrived recently in the post. So these are from an Etsy shop called Another Budget, and they sent me these which I ordered, and they actually sent me a few freebies as well. So I have 200, 500, 1,000, 2,000, 5,000, and also fully funded. So I am going to keep these here on the side today because I am actually going to be using one of these. So let's pop that in there. And actually a couple of the freebies that I got were these savings trackers. So we got one emergency fund tracker and just a general savings tracker for £20 savings. So each of these little icons is worth £20. So this whole lot is worth 1,000 on there. So my goal for savings is 5,000. So I'm going to need to fill this out 5 times, which seems so far away, but I think this is really going to help me with visualizing, and also just the satisfaction of ticking everything off, I think is going to help to motivate me to keep going with this. So that is going in there as well for a second. And you will see over here, I've also just got these little slips, little bits of note paper with some amounts written down, and I will explain what I'm doing with those in just a second. So let's get into the binder and start actually stuffing. So in here, I just keep some receipts and things and notes and cards and stuff like that. And then I've got obviously all of my envelopes. So first things first, I'm actually going to put the little emergency tracker, which I'm not going to be using for now, into the sleeve right there, so we can store that to use it later on. And that obviously links with my emergency fund, which is the very first envelope that I have. And this is what is going to be getting the placeholder. So I'm popping the fully funded placeholder in here. So I actually have a bit of a head start, even though I'm only just starting cash stuffing. I do have some savings, and I've allocated that almost entirely to my emergency fund. So I do have the little slip here, which will just tell me what that amount actually is. So this is 6 months of my essential expenses, basically. So rent, electric, phone, all of those good things, food shop. 6 months worth of that is in here right now. So I just want to have a little slip in there telling me how much that is. And I obviously don't want to be keeping this out in cash in the binder. So I just have a little slip in there to let me know what I've got in the bank. So let's move on. So next thing is my house fund. And this has £3,176.64. And that includes the £415 that I was able to add in there with this month's paycheck. So again, that is just a slip going in there rather than the cash, but I promise everything else we're doing today is going to be actual cash stuffing. So first things first, we have my savings envelope. So I'm going to grab that little savings tracker, and instead of ticking things off on here with like a permanent marker or anything like that, I'm going to use some stickers. So I found this random little sticker sheet that I had, which actually have these little kind of gecko print or lizard print stickers on, which I thought would be perfect size to use on here. I will get some nicer stickers to use for this in the future, but just thought I'd use what I have for now instead of spending money on something new. So I'm just going to be putting in £20 in here today. So I'm going to complete one of those little icons there, and that's going to go in here. And I'll grab the £20, which is going in there. And that is the very first envelope stuffed. How exciting. Then we've got health, so we're now kind of moving into my high priority funds. So health is getting 20. Get that in there. And next is household maintenance. Household maintenance is going to get 30, so 20 and a 10. And I'll put the bigger note at the front. There we go. Furniture and decor is also going to get 30. So these I'm really hoping to save all this money for when I get my new house, hopefully in the near future. So both furniture and decor and household maintenance, hopefully all that money will get to go to that. Then I have car, and this is just getting 20. Then I have holiday, and that is also getting 20. And then we are now on to my lower priority funds. The first one of which is clothes, and that is also getting 20. Then I have hair, and this is just going to get 10 because I don't have anything coming up for this in this next month that I've got planned. Don't have any hair appointments or anything like that, so just putting 10 in there to get this started. I do have a few other envelopes like that where I'm just putting in a tenner just to get things going. Beauty and cosmetics is getting 20 in 2 10s. There we go. Pet is just getting 10. Birthdays and gifts is going to be getting 45, so a little bit more in here, and that is because I have quite a few things coming up this month. I've got my friends' birthdays, I think 2 of my friends' birthdays, my dad's birthday, as well as Mother's Day are all coming up, so I need to budget for that. So we've got 4 10s and a 5, 45. There we go. Technology is going to get just 10. Fitness is going to get just 10 as well. And then the next envelope is dates, and this one is going to be getting stuffed quite a lot today, and that is because I have my 4-year anniversary coming up at the end of the month, so I need to make sure I'm able to get my boyfriend something nice and maybe treat him to something. So I believe that's going to have 2 20s. So that's 20, 40, 50, 60, and 70. And our anniversary is on the 29th of March, so I might be able to stuff a little bit in here for my next paycheck, but I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to, so I just want to make sure I put as much as I can in here this month. So that's going in there. Then I have dining out as the next one, which I think, let me double check. Yeah, so for this one, I've got 2 10s and a 20, 20, 30, 40 all together. The next one is hobbies, which I'm just putting a tenner into. Then I have my trading envelope, which isn't getting anything at the moment. I actually did debate completely removing the envelope from in here. I'm not 100% sure I want to actually save for this right now, just because with all the house buying stuff, it just doesn't seem right to be prioritizing this right now. But I'm going to keep it here for now, and I'll have a think about it. But nothing going in there this time. And then in donate, which is my final envelope, I'm putting in 10 in 2 5s. So that is going in there, and that completes my binder. So let's see. Oh my goodness, this looks so satisfying. Like, I've been waiting for the moment that I get started with this. So it's so exciting to have this going. Oh, so happy. So let's close this up. I am probably going to need to purchase another binder because I think this is going to fill up quite quickly, and then I can kind of split a few of these things off into their own binder, I think. But for now, we'll keep it all in here. So that is that. Thank you so much for watching and for joining me, and I hope to see you next time for my next video.